Hey everybody, here at the MBRP garage today. Super excited to talk to you about another Maverick system we're coming out with. This one is for the rider that is looking to drive on the trails all day and not have something be too aggressive. We've got our race unit already, which is all about power, weight savings, and that performance. This one blends sound and performance together. Now, let's quickly go over this one, and then we'll get you outside to show you what it sounds like. So for starters, we connect to the turbo with a CNC machine flange, move through pie cut and laser welded tubes. We incorporate this large 3-inch flex pipe here. And from all that, we move into the main part of the muffler. So this is a high flow 2.5-inch louvered core. This is where we balance the performance and the sound and give you a note that you could ride with all day. From there we exit, including laser cut bracketry, which can incorporate the OEM tip or the upgraded MBRP dual outlet tip if you're looking for a little more flair. Both of those will incorporate the OEM spark arrestor to ensure compliance and is fully mounted up using OEM bolts, hardware, and everything else that comes with the Mavar already. Now, this system itself, again, blending that performance and sound, still increases horsepower by 5 horse and drops 18 pounds over the factory suitcase that comes on the car. With all these benefits, I'm excited to get it outside, show you what it sounds like. Let's go.